He told her plainly, any male child born now was already condemned. Her world tilted, her heart thundered. Tears filled her eyes, yet none fell. He warned her, whoever speaks this secret outside the land of Owundu will either lose their sanity or lose their life. Fear wrapped around her soul, because within her a greater truth was already growing. And in that moment, silence became heavier than thunder.
Ebuka, I'm already pregnant. What should I do now?
My people, hear my command. Disobedience will be punished. Obey, and you shall thrive under my rule. Hear me, people of Owundu. From today, every woman who learns